Hello there, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Trafft, which is one appointment booking software. It's an alternative of Calendly, and if I want to show you real quick, see, this is one website that I have created just by using this Trafft. So you can create this type of booking website by using this software, and then you can get the appointment booking from your audience actually. And there can have a lot of type of design, but this is the design that I have chosen. But the idea behind this software is you can create this type of software and then people can book appointment for you actually. Hope you get idea, guys. And see, this software has gotten 133 reviews on AppSumo, and almost everyone is giving a 5-star review. So I think the software is good, and they're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. And see, license tier 1 pricing is 59 USD. Here you can have 40 employees and 10 total custom feature. But if you need unlimited, and then you have to get license tier 2. If you need 5 agency account, or let's say more agency account, then you have to upgrade to more license tier actually. Hope you get idea now. Without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Trafft and let's explore how things works here. See, guys, this is the dashboard of Trafft, and here in the dashboard you can see number of new customer, amount of revenue you have gotten in this week, last month, last week, and last 3 months, etc, etc, and number of occupancy, and you can see daily occupancy data from here. You can see appointment booked, number of appointment booked and cancelled, data from here. You can see your latest appointments from here. You can change the status of these appointments from here, and see, then you can see the performance of employees and services from here. You can create different services. As you can see in my website, I have created 3 services, so you can create different types of service from here. And see, in my services, this first one is working fine, and I have total 3 team member or 3 employees, and among these 3 employees, this John Doe, this person is working better than other actually. So in this way you can see the service performance and employee performance for different time period. Hope you get idea, guys. So these are the things that you will get in the dashboard. After that, they have the option for calendar. If I go to the calendar section, here you can have the calendar view of your appointments. See, I have one appointment on 5 September, and then I have another appointment on 4 September. And if you click on appointment, then you can see the summary of this appointment. See, here is the customer details, here is the assigned team member, here is the date and time, and here is the status you can change from here. So in this way you will be able to see all your previously booked appointment from here in the calendar view. After that, they have appointments. If I go to the appointment section, here again you can see all your appointments in listicle view, and if you click on any appointment, then see, here you can see the status of this appointment, and you can see the time and date, and assigned team member, customer details, and payment. If they pay any payment, then you can see. You can also get payment by using this software. I'll show you after some time. And if you have any internal note about this client, then you can add the internal note here, let's say here. And in this way you can add internal note also about this persons here. Hope you get idea about this appointment section. After that, they have employee. In the employee section, you have to add your employee. It's very easy. Just click here on this add employee. Here insert the first name, last name, email, phone number, location, and you can assign this team member or this user for a specific service. In my dashboard, I have 3 service, and let's say I will assign this person only for mentoring session this service. You can do this type of thing actually. Here I'm not adding any new team member right now, but you can add. And see, here these are my team members, and if I enter to any team member, as you can see here, you will be able to see details about this team member, number of appointment he has gotten in next 7 days, and number of amount she has gotten in last 7 days, percentage of lead, and hours of appointment, etc, etc. You can see. And you can disable the employee, you can delete the employee also from here. Hope you get idea. And in this way, here in the employee section, you have to add your employee or team member. After that, they have customer, where you can get your customer data. As you can see in my dashboard, I have only one customer, and his name is John Doe. And here you can see the number of appointment he has booked, and you can see the services that he has booked, and payment that he has done actually from here. And if you want to add new customer, just click here on this add new customer, and then this type of pop-up will come. Here insert the first name, last name, email, phone number, gender, date of birth, and customer details. And then it will be added here actually. Hope you get idea. I'm not adding any new customer right now, but you can add. Also, you can export your customer data from here. You can import your customer data if you have a lots of customer. So you do not need to add every customer one by one. You can import their data from here. Hope you get idea. After that, they have service. As you can see in my website, I have 3 services. Now let's say you want to create one service. Just click here on this add service, and here insert one image of your service. Here insert the service name, color, category, and then description about your service. And you can assign different employee for this service, and duration it will take, let's say 2 hours and 30 minutes. And price, let's say price is maybe what can be the price, let's say 345. This is the price. So let me add here, let's say, and the service will be web development, and then category by default, and description, let me find some dummy description here. Let's say here I'll copy it, and then I will just paste it here. And these are the things. Now if I just click here on this add service, this service will be added. And if you want to add the image, you can add the image also. Let me add here one image so that it look like better actually. So here just upload the image. Let's say this is my image, and then click on next. And from here you have to crop these things actually. Okay, let it be keep like that. So in this way it will work. You have to save the changes, and see, this is the appearance, and then they have the setting. Let me go to the setting. Here you can select different service badge, and duration you can change. You can enable buffer time also. You can change the price. You can add tax. How you can add tax, I will show you in the finance section. In my dashboard I have only one tax, as you can see, tax New York. But in your case you can create multiple tax here, and you can assign different tax in different service actually. Hope you get idea. You can enable the deposit payment also, but you have to enable the online payment provider at first. Just click here, and then you will be redirected to this section. From here you will get one option for online payment. You have to configure this online payment from here. So you can connect your PayPal, you can connect Stripe also Molly is available, authorize.net is available. So these payment gateways are available. You can connect these payment gateways, and if you connect, then you can enable deposit payment also. That means people can pay if they want to book you. Hope you get idea. And you can detect this service as private service, and then you can enable recurring appointment. You can redirect URL after successful booking. Let's say you want to redirect to one another URL after they will book successfully, but I do not want, let's say. And you can enable group booking also if you want. You can select here maximum number of capacity and minimum number of capacity from here. And after doing everything, just click here on this save changes. So you can do this type of things here. And then they have extra. Now what is this extra? Let's say you have some upsell for this service. Let's say when you are providing web design or web development service, you can also provide maybe website speed optimization service, or graphics design service, or digital marketing service. Anything can be, right? So you can just click on this add extra, and then here you can insert the name. Let's say website speed optimization, and price will be, let's say, maybe let me write here, let's say 233. And tax, let's say this one. And duration will be, let's say 3 hour. Maximum quantity, let's say okay, one. And here you can insert some description if you want. You can hide this extra on booking website, and you can multiply extra price with the number of people also. If you select it, it will be multiplied. And then just click on this add, and then this extra will be added. You can add one image also. And then they have gallery. In the gallery section, if you need any image to show the portfolio, then you can upload them, and you can store them here actually. I'm not uploading right now, but you can upload. So hope you get idea about the service section, how you can build your service. Now if I go to the front end, and from here if I just reload it, then I hope I will see the fourth service that I have added here. As you can see here, this one, web development, I have added this one, right? So in this way your services will be added on your website in real time. Hope you get idea guys about the service section. After that they have location, and in the location section you can enable your offline location. As you can see, I have added this location here. You can add new location here. Just click here on this add new location, and here insert the name, address. You can also select different pin. As you can see, orange pin, then cyan pin, then blue pin. As you can see, the pin color will change actually, and pink pin, and you can add some description actually. So in this way you can enable here the offline location also. In my website I have one offline location. If you enable it, then there will be able to this option location. As you can see, if I go to this section location, see guys, the location will be shown here. As you can see, it's loading. Maybe yes, this is the location. From here you can see the location. If you have multiple location, all your locations will be shown here in different row, and from here people can see your available time, people can see your phone number, your offline location. From here people can see the map also, and then related image also people will see. You have to upload your images, and that people will see here. Now I'll show you how you can upload. As you can see, they have option. If I just click here on this edit, and then see there have one option gallery. From here you have to upload your images for your offline location actually. Hope you get idea. You can also select your office hours from here. So in this way you can add different location for your offline activities here. After that they have finance. If I go to the finance section, from here you can see all your invoices, and then they have sitting. In the sitting section you can here insert the invoice title, you can change it, and next invoice number and invoice prefix you can select actually. You can automatically send invoice to customer. If you enable it, then it will be automatically sent. And then they have invoice customization, and they have different design for your invoice. You can upload here your own logo. I have already uploaded it, and see they have these 4 template. Let's say I'll select this one. You can select anyone that you like. You can change the colors, and see they have white, they have these colors. This is one design and this is another design. So let's say I'll select this one, the second one, and here you can insert your additional note. I have added here. Here is my refund policy. Let's say this is my additional note, and then just click here on the save changes, and it will be saved. Now if you want to see the preview of your invoice, just click here preview invoice, and then see guys, here this is the invoice preview actually. In this way your invoice will be generated, and if you enable this option to send automatic invoice to customer, then it will be sent automatically. It will be generated automatically also. And you can see all your transaction data from this transaction section. In my case any transaction haven't happened here, that's why everything is empty. But if you use it in your professional life, then definitely you will see your transaction data. And then they have the taxes. Here you can add different taxes. As you can see, I have already added one tax here, tax New York. Let's say you want to add another tax, just click here add tax, and then let's say the name will be tax 1, and tax rate will be, let's say maybe 15%. And you can also select here make this tax rate by default, and apply this tax rate to all service, and apply this tax rate to all extras. So you can enable this option if you want, but I am not enabling here. I like to do these things manually actually. So in this way you can just add your tax, and then on any service the tax that is right for this service, you can just assign this tax on this service actually. Hope you get idea. In this way everything will be set up. But it's not the end. They have customization option. You can customize your website from here. As you can see here, this is the website, right? And from here there have the embed code. You can copy this code, and then you can paste this code on the back end of your website, and then this page will be added or will be embedded on your website. Then it will be completely white labeled. As you can see, now they have passivern.trafft.com, their own domain. But let's say you do not want to show the domain of Trafft, so you can embed this appointment booking website on your own website actually. Hope you get idea. And then there have different other options. You can enable these options, and then there have look and feel. As you can see here in the look and feel section, you can change the layout. Let me go to the layout section. See guys, they have different themes and appearance. You can select any themes or appearance that you like, and then you can change the primary color, you can change the background theme color, you can change your brand font, you can change interface appearance. See, they have dark theme and light theme. If I just select a light theme, then it will be light. Now it is dark, right? But let's say I will make it light. And you can change the background also if you like. Let's say you want to add here your own background image, you can do it. And see, there have option show made by Trafft mark. So definitely we do not want to show. See, now there have one option here on the footer made by Trafft, but let's say we do not want to keep it, so just disable this option. And then they have service page setting. Here have grid view and list view. And see, now they have grid view, but if you want to convert it to list view, you can do it also. And then card image size, you can keep it no image, small or large. I have selected here large. And show filter, you can also enable filter vertically or horizontally. And page title, let's say the title will be Passivern appointment. Let's say this is the page title. And website logo, you can upload. Let me upload here one logo. And then also you can upload here website favicon. Just click here and upload. So I have uploaded. And then they have the heading, and you can also add here custom heading. Let's say on my thank you page, the heading will be welcome to Passivern, thanks for booking. And description, in the description, let's say I will have maybe not like that. Let's say I will add something just for dummy purpose. I'll copy it and then I'll just paste it here. Let's say it will be my description. And thank you image, you can also upload your thank you image. You can change this image from here. And if everything okay, just click here on the save changes, and then the appearance will be changed. Now if I go to my front end and if I just reload it, and it will be changed. Here we will get one light background or light appearance. Actually now see, it's light. So these are the things, guys. In this way it will change. Hope you get idea. And see now, powered by or made by Trafft, this option is not available. Hope you get idea. So everything is now white labeled almost. And another thing is, let's say you do not want to embed it on your own website, you want to change the domain of trafft.com. It's also possible, guys, from the setting section that I will show you after some time. But see here, these are the things in the look and feel. And then they have the hero section. You can change the hero. As you can see, small hero, large hero, no hero. If you just enable this small or large hero, one hero will be added here. Let's say I'll select here small hero, and then here is the hero section content. Let's say Passivern, and here is the description and text align. Let's say center I will keep, and hero section background. Let's say I will upload here one image. So guys, here this is the image. You can change it, and background fade you can enable, and call to action button you can also add here. And as URL I will add here, let's say www.passivern.com, and then click on this save changes. It will be saved, and then let it be saved. See guys, everything has saved here. Now if I go to the front end and if I reload here, now here I will see the hero section. I hope, just let it be reloaded. See guys, here now the hero section is available. Previously the hero section was not available, right? If I just click here on this book now, then it will redirect us to our expected destination. Actually, hope you get idea. And then see, there have the option to customize your footer also. Just click here on this footer section. Here have the customization option of your footer also. You can customize it. Hope you get idea. You can select the language of your website, and then they have the label. In the label section you can have different label, and then in the custom field section you can add custom field if you like. Just click here on this custom field. As you can see, guys, just click here on this add custom field. Here you can add text field, text array field, text content field, select box, check box, radio button, and date picker box, address box, and attachment. Now how this custom field will help you? Let's say on your appointment booking section only email and name section is available. That means when people want to book your appointment, they need to submit their email or let's say their email and their name. But let's say it's not enough for you, you want maybe also their address. Just click here on this address, and then you can make it record, and then people have to submit their address also when they will book the appointment from you. Actually, so here enter label will be, let's say, address, and then click on save changes. It will be saved. Hope you get idea. And then they have custom code. If you want more customization, then you can also code here. As you can see, they have option for custom CSS and custom JavaScript. Just by writing code you can customize your booking website in more dynamic way. Hope you get idea, guys. After that, they have setting. In the setting section they have more feature. See, they have default time slot step, there have default appointment status option, and date format, time format, and country code, time zone, etc, etc, you can change. Then they have company information. You can change or add your company information here. You can add your office hours here, and depending on this office hours people can book appointment from you actually. And then you can also select here the company off day. Just click here on this day off, and here select the off day range actually from here. Here give a name, let's say off day 1, and you can repeat it in every 5 year, 10 year, 8 year actually. Let's say you will not repeat, and then just click here on this add, and then this off day will be added, and then people cannot book any appointment on this date actually. And then they have SMS notification. You can set up the SMS notification and email notification also. Then they have payment. In the payment section, you can select your by default currency and price. You can have different price separate option, and price symbol, where the price symbol will be shown, you can select, and number of decimal after the integer number you can select actually from here. After that, they have feature and integration. This one is most important. You can enable here coupon. You can configure it, and just by using coupon, people can get different types of discount actually. And here the most important option is custom domain. You can add custom domain. As I have told you guys, let's say you do not want to embed this website on your own website, you want to change the domain, it's also possible. Just click here and just activate it from here, and then you can configure your custom domain. Then it will be completely white labeled actually. And then they have custom field. You can insert custom field here. You can send custom notification to your customer or clients actually. And then custom role you can create for your different employees. You can add your different extras. Group booking you can enable. You can add the multiple location from here. Multilingual support you can enable. You can enable online payment that I have shown you previously. You can also enable recurring appointment. You can add your custom SMTP email, so that any email do not go to the spam section of your audience. And then you can add special days and webhook from here if you want. So lots of features are available here. See in the integration section, they have Facebook Pixel integration, Google Analytics integration, Google Tag Manager, Google Calendar and Google Meet integration, Apple Calendar, Outlook Calendar, Acom Mail is available, MailChimp, then SendFox, WhatsApp, JPR, Zoom integrations are available. That's really awesome, guys. And the last option is user and roles. From here you can add your employees or user. You can change their roles actually from here. And if you want to create new role, just come to this role section. From here you can create different new roles for your different users. Hope you get idea, guys, about this Trafft booking creator, actually booking website creator. Now the last option is, let's say you want to book, or one of your client want to book appointment for you actually. So what they have to do, they have to visit to this website. Let me copy this website, and then let me open it in another window. So people will see almost like that, right? And from here, let's say they want this on online mentoring sessions. So what they have to do, they have to just click here on this learn more or book now. So let me click here on this learn more. Then they will get this interface, and from here they have to select one employee and then click on continue, and then they have to select their expected date when they want to book the appointment actually. And here is the time, and then continue, and then they have to insert their personal details, first name, last name, email, etc, etc, and then they will be able to book appointment for you or from you actually. Hope you get idea, guys. In this way, this Trafft software can be helpful for you in case of your appointment booking. So if you think, guys, you need this type of software by which people can book appointment from you very easily, then you can get this Trafft lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Trafft lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Trafft lifetime deal. Then you can get this Trafft lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Trafft lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Trafft lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional money. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again for watching this.